Welcome back to Joda Decor. Today we're stepping into a dreamy world of soft colors, charming textures, and timeless inspiration with vintage spring craft room ideas to inspire creativity in a beautiful space. If you love vintage decorating, handmade details, and cozy creative corners, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment telling us your favorite spring decor style. Let's begin this beautiful craft room transformation together. Start with a light and airy spring color palette. Vintage craft rooms feel magical when they use gentle shades like creamy ivory, dusty rose, sage green, pale butter yellow, or soft sky blue. These colors reflect natural light beautifully and instantly create a calm, inspiring mood. Add them through painted furniture, wall accents, storage boxes, or even floral fabric pieces for a soft seasonal touch. Bring in vintage furniture that tells a story. A distressed wooden desk, an antique writing table, or a thrifted vanity can become the heart of your craft room. The charm comes from imperfections, worn edges, carved legs, and aged paint. Pair your desk with a vintage chair or a mismatched stool, then soften the look with a cushion in floral or gingham fabric. Create a dreamy crafting wall with vintage shelving. Open shelves painted in white or pastel tones can display your supplies while still looking decorative. Use old wooden crates, antique brackets, or even repurposed ladder shelves for extra character. Arrange items neatly with jars, baskets, and fabric-lined boxes so your space feels organized, yet full of charm and creativity. Use glass jars and vintage containers for storage. Nothing feels more vintage and inspiring than rows of glass jars filled with buttons, ribbons, lace trims, and colorful beads. Look for old apothecary jars, tea tins, ceramic canisters, and antique boxes. Not only do they keep everything accessible, but they also turn your craft supplies into beautiful decor. Add floral patterns and romantic fabrics everywhere. Spring is the perfect time to decorate with soft floral curtains, vintage tablecloths, and delicate lace runners. A fabric-covered bulletin board can hold inspiration photos, postcards, and sketches while adding a cozy cottage feel. Even small touches like ruffled chair covers or a floral lampshade can instantly make your craft room feel warm and inviting. Decorate with vintage-inspired wall art and prints. Fill your walls with framed botanical illustrations, old sewing patterns, vintage magazine covers, or faded postcards. You can also hang antique embroidery hoops with fabric inside them for an easy DIY wall display. This creates a creative atmosphere where every corner feels like a page from an old-fashioned scrapbook. Bring spring freshness with flowers and greenery. Fresh tulips, daisies, or wildflowers in a vintage pitcher will instantly brighten the room. If you prefer something long-lasting, use dried lavender, eucalyptus, or faux peonies in antique vases. Adding plants not only makes the space feel alive, but also helps your craft room feel peaceful and inspiring. Design a vintage sewing and stitching corner. If you love sewing, create a special corner with an old sewing machine, a basket of fabric scraps, and a small shelf for thread spools. Hang scissors, measuring tape, and ribbons on cute hooks or a pegboard framed in wood for a vintage look. This dedicated space makes crafting feel more intentional and enjoyable. Use warm lighting for a cozy vintage glow. Replace harsh lighting with soft warm bulbs, table lamps, or a chandelier-style pendant light. Vintage craft rooms look stunning with lamps that have pleated shades, floral designs, or brass bases. You can even add fairy lights around shelves or mirrors for a magical spring sparkle that feels gentle and inspiring. Add personal handmade touches for true vintage charm. Display your own crafts like handmade cards, scrapbook pages, embroidery pieces, or framed pressed flowers. Use an old tray to hold your favorite tools, or place a vintage teacup on your desk to hold paintbrushes. When your craft room shows your personality, it becomes more than a workspace, it becomes a creative sanctuary. In conclusion, a vintage spring craft room is all about beauty, comfort, and inspiration. With soft colors, antique furniture, floral fabrics, charming storage, and warm lighting, you can create a space that invites creativity every day. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below which craft room detail you would love to try first. Thank you for watching Joda Decor, and see you in the next vintage-inspired video.